So I had a user in the Discord recently come and tell me that he was down 20% of his entire account in one day. And, I don't understand how this is possible, because with the methods that we teach, it's literally impossible to be down 20% in a single day or anywhere near that. Especially, considering our risk management that we teach, and also the style of trading that we teach, which I think is pretty unique compared to some other Discord groups. So in this video, I have a checklist for you, a rule-based strategy that you can follow to become profitable. If you try this for a month and you're not profitable, I will refund you any amount that you spent in our Discord with easy algo, etc., etc. So if you try this for a month, at least 2 to 3 trades a week, right, on various altcoins or forex pairs, whatever it may be, and you don't see results with proof, I'll refund you, because that's how confident I am in this strategy. So, and we're gonna load in our easy algo V5 and easy algo SR. Now come over here to settings. We're gonna simplify things a little bit. We're gonna put the dashboard in the top right corner, keep that small, turn off the reversal bands, turn off the stop loss, and set our sensitivity to 1.7. All right, now that we have that, we're gonna come into our SR, and we are going to set this as a straight solid line. We can keep these zones on as well. So one more indicator that we're gonna add is called the poor man's volume. It's called poor man's volume profile right here. So we're gonna load this in. Now, the reason I'm having you guys use this indicator is because when you're starting out, you need some confluence with volume. And now we can hide this. So to start the strategy, right, I'm gonna make a little text box over here. We're gonna go to the 4-hour time frame. So here are the rules for this trading style, right? First of all, we're gonna start on a 4-hour time frame. The reason we're gonna start on a 4-hour time frame is that if you're not yet profitable on a 4-hour time frame, don't even try, going to a 5 or 15-minute time frame. So that's the first thing we're gonna do. Also, the 4-hour time frame helps you visualize the overall trend of the market on a higher time frame, which is what is preferred. All right, the second thing, we must have 2 out of these 3 confluences. Either have an easy algo support zone, a key Fibonacci level, which is either the 0.5 or the golden pocket, or the poor man's volume profile. So if you have one of these 3 at any given time, you do not enter the trade. If you have 2 of these 3, you can enter the trade, but really what you're shooting for is 3 of 3. So if you have all 3 of these lined up, that is an extremely high probability trade, which is what we're going for here. And the third rule is that we're gonna risk 2% of our overall account per trade. Right, this is 2% risk per trade. So if your stop loss is at 1%, if you were to lose that trade, you would lose 2% of your entire account. And the fourth rule is we're going to enter with a 2-to-1 risk to reward. So we'll be risking, let's say, $100 to make $200, right? There's no moving stop loss in this strategy. All right, very, very important. When I take 3, 4, 5 risk to reward trades, it's not really 3, 4, 5 risk to reward, because I'm oftentimes moving the stop loss. But when we're trading this way, we're not gonna be moving the stop loss. That way, if we can hit 40 to 50% win rate using this strategy, which is very, very simple, we will be profitable. All right, so here is some math to kind of help you out with this. So if you're taking 10 trades per month using this strategy, guys, if you want to, you can take 10 trades per week. So, take this with a grain of salt. I'm just saying this in theory, right? Theoretically, if you took 10 trades per month, 5 of those would be winning. You have a 20% growth of account. If you have 5 losing, that's a 50% win rate. You'll lose 10% of your account, meaning you average 10% of your account per month. So in this recent trade, we're going to draw our fib from the previous swing low to the previous swing high. Go into settings, and we're gonna make sure we have the 0.5 and golden pocket turned on. And we can see we have a 0.5 overlapping this easy algo support zone. No volume profile in this zone, but we do have 2 out of the 3, and this is actually a setup I posted. So in this case, right, you would set a limit order here at this 0.5 fib level, and your stop loss would be below this easy algo zone, and you'd be targeting a 2-to-1, so this would be your take profit. Well, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel for more trading content, and I'll see you guys next video.